Welcome to e-learning platform of Kadishwara Vishwavidyalaya. This is a presentation on internet technology by Kinjal Patel. Be myself, faculty of BCA, Narsibhai Patel, College of Computer Studies and Management, Kadi. Today topic is email communication and social networking. Now, first of all, let us see what is email. Email is a method of composing, sending and receiving message over electronic communication system. If you wish to send email to anybody in the world, then you should know the recipient's email address. When you open an internet account with an ISP, you get an email address. Several websites like Hotmail, Yahoo, Rediffmail, Gmail, etc. allow you to create free email account. When you open a free email account with an email site, it will provide a unique email address after filling up and submitting an online registration form. Now, what is the structure of email? Let us see. Email address can be separated into two parts using @ as a separator. First part of email address, which come before @ symbol, is username or user ID. And second part is domain name of email site. Okay, now let's see what is use of email. Using email, user can send mail to a single recipient or broadcast into a multiple user. Using email, anybody can send text message, picture, audio and video clip to any other person over the internet anywhere in the world. Using email, one can send the message to anybody within a fraction of second with the nominal cost. These all are the uses of email. Now, what is structure of email? You can see in figure. Email can be divided into two parts, header and body. Email header includes some additional information about email like form, to, subject, CC, BCC. The form fields specify the sender of the email. The to fields specify an email address of the receivers. In this case, recipient email address is like @. The CC field describes the receiver of the carbon copy of the email. The BCC is blind carbon copy. The subject field gives short brief regarding the email. In the header, the section which actually contains the message is known as body of the email. Generally, body of the email start with the greeting followed by a message and end with personalized signature of the user. Signature should be not exceeds. If you want to use it, then put a signature. Now, let us see next how to send email. First of all, log in to your email account so that you are on the dashboard, the main page of your mail account. Next, click compose. Next, a new blank email window will open up. In the to box, type in the email address of the recipient. Next, you might want to include someone less in your email to click CC or BCC, which will open the another field. CC means carbon copy and BCC means blind carbon copy. Next, the subject field allow you to give the recipient an idea of the topic of your email like heading. Type your message in the main body field of your email and click the blue sign button at the bottom of the Compose window. Now, let us see how to receive email. From the email inbox, click the tab that contains the type of message you want to view. Your most important message should be on a primary tab. Select the message you want to read and click anywhere on the message line. Now, what is uploading and downloading file? First of all, let us see what is uploading. Uploading means to transmitting data from one computer system to another. And downloading means to receive data from a remote system. Now, let us see what is search engine. A search engine is a web-based tool that enables users to locate the information on the World Wide Web. Popular examples of search engine are Google, Yahoo, and MNS Search. A search engine is made up of three parts: Spider, database, and search tool. Spider crawls across the internet to collect the information. Database contains all the information that Spider collects. And last, search tool allow people to search through the database of the search engine. And finally, search engine return the result with the title of the document, some sentence related to the document, and the URL of the document. Search engine use a spider to gather the document according a well-set rule. When the spider discovers the documents and URL, software isn't sent then its indexing software. Indexing software then extract information from document and URLs and store in the database. To use a search engine for any topic, one has to type keyword. Database of search engines search according to the criteria set for the keyword. Search results are displayed in the HTML page. Search engine return the result with the title of the document, some sentence related to the document, and the URL of the document. On clicking the hyperlink, it will display the corresponding page over the internet. Now, let us see do's and don'ts for the search engine. Now, first of all, discuss do. Have content people want to find. If it's quality content that's new and interesting, more people will be looking for you. Adverts on social network and get people to link to you on their walls and sites. Now discuss don'ts. Use hidden content or blank the techniques as they will get you lower ranking, or whose changes domain name. The longer you had to head that short of content, the more reputable you are. Now, next, what is social network? Social network is a use of internet-based social media site to stay connected with the friends, family, colleagues, customers, or clients. Social network can have a social purpose, a business purpose, or both through a site such as Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Instagram, and among others. Now discuss advantages of social networking. Social networking gives you a chance to contact with the people around the world. This technology gives us access to easy instant communication tools. Being on a social network is a lot of fun. Social networking helps people who are say or socially isolated to connect with others. The elderly can feel more connected to society because of a social media. Now discuss disadvantages of social networking. Social networking exposes us to a lot of information. There are privacy issues to consider with the social network. It can disturb your sleep cycle. Using social networking all of the time can lead to a sedentary lifestyle. Social networking can spread false or unreliable information quickly. Social media create more time wasting opportunity throughout the day. Thank you.